Today we're going to be installing the neutral release cover for a 2023 Ford F150. So it is actually under here. Let me go ahead and get this process started. Okay, first things, make sure you use a nylon tool, and you're going to come in right on this side and use that to gently start prying down, and you will get this door loose. Right here is the neutral release. If I pull this, it puts the vehicle into neutral. So we have a bolt here and a bolt here that we'll need to remove. You're going to need a 7mm socket. That's what these bolts are right here. We're going to remove those two bolts. So to remove this panel here, there's these push clips. So take this and fish it up under, and I'm going to show you the exact location where they're at. So you can feel up in here, put a little pressure here, put a little pressure, and on the other side as well. But this will just pop loose. Get a better video for you. That will just pop loose. That will expose the bolts that we need to loosen to put our plate in.